Human Rights Watch recently had a press conference on the current political changes in Burma. These changes raise the prospect that the protracted Burmese refugee situation could have an end in sight. However, obstacles remain as far as a safe return, as well as uncertainty about repatriation.
Refugees are people who have a fear of persecution in their home country. That's the international definition, at least, not the definition here in Thailand. The definition here in Thailand is fleeing fighting or the effects of conflict, or now it may be involved in some family reunification, political concerns. It doesn't comport with the international refugee definition, but nevertheless, the point is that it really brings no rights with it.
Some of the concerns that Bill mentioned about the Lao Mong refoulement that took place in 2009, December 2009. There's still a great deal of apprehension in these camps because they don't feel they know exactly what's going on. These are people whose lives have been on hold for quite a period of time. And, they're hopeful that they will be able to go back to Burma. Many of them have said that they want to go back. But the issues of how to return, landmines, access to land, access to basic services, all those things are still now not yet clearly defined on how the procedure will go forward.
I mentioned the soft deportations that occur, people that are caught outside the camps that are sent across the border in an unofficial way. It's a porous border, and they usually find their way back, but in the course of that, they may have to go into brokers, to traffickers, to forced labor, to paying additional bribes.
He's an asylum seeker. Went to UNHCR Bangkok, and UNHCR Bangkok said, we can't help you here, you have to go to UNHCR in Mae Sot. He went up to Mae Sot, had a 3-hour interview with UNHCR in Mae Sot. Mae Sot said at the end, well, we can't have you go to the camp, it's not safe for you there, now you need to go back to Bangkok. And then when he goes back to Bangkok to talk to UNHCR Bangkok, he can't get anyone to answer him. He said that, our hope is with the UNHCR, I have no country.
For years and years and years and years, Thailand has had refugees on its soil. It's thought of refugees in terms of camps. There's a tremendous opportunity. There's an opportunity to do it right with the camp refugees, to make sure that they're well prepared and that they're engaged in the decision-making process, and that they are empowered, and that they will go back, as I said before, with good memories of what Thailand did to support them and to sustain them in their time of need.